Today we have at Cheers TV Pauline visiting us directly from London. Maybe you can introduce yourself and tell our listeners what is your job.
Of course. Thank you for welcoming me. It's lovely to be here. My name is Pauline, as you said, and I work at the Wine and Spirit Education Trust, or WSET, in London. And my job there is to look after and help all the different schools in 64 countries. That's why I'm in Beijing, to visit Claudia and the team at Cheers to help them start to offer the WSET courses.
What makes it so interesting to be in the wine business?
The wine business is a lovely business to be in because you meet lots of very interesting people from very different backgrounds, and everyone in the wine industry shares a love of wine and food. What I love most about working in education is when you teach someone something new, they get a spark in their eye and they start to enjoy it, and that's when you know they've caught the wine bug, and that's probably one of the best things about our job.
Why would you recommend someone to visit an WSET course?
Right, yes, the WSET course is an international qualification, so it's a qualification that's recognised in lots of countries around the world, and that's quite unique. For me, I travel a lot. I've worked in the US, in New Zealand, in London, and the WSET is a qualification that I can take with me where I go, and employers and people in the trade know it and respect it. And that's one of the most important things, is how well you can travel with it. And all of our teachers are trained in how to teach the course. So the idea is whether you take a course here with you in China at Cheers, or whether you take it with us in London or in New Zealand, the idea is that you have the same knowledge that's transferable wherever you decide to work.
So it's first of all the knowledge which is interesting to learn, yes, but also it gives you a good chance to find a job afterwards.
Exactly. The WSET qualification is very important to a lot of employers in the wine trade around the world, and we train people who end up to be sommeliers or wine journalists, or we train people who end up to be wine buyers, or we even train people who end up to be winemakers as well, because that's how they started. So there's a lot of pathways for your career that you can take once you've done a WSET course.
What is your impression about the wine business in China?
The wine business in China is very, very young. I think there's a lot of people who are just starting to learn about wine, and there's a lot of the trade structures in China are just starting to develop, which is a big contrast to London, where I normally am, because London has had wine merchants and been interested in wine and had wine restaurants for 500 years. And to come to China, which is such an old country, but see that the wine industry is so new and dynamic, it's quite exciting because it's only just deciding what it likes and what it doesn't like about wine. So it's quite an exciting place.
What do you think about Cheers?
Cheers, I think, is a very exciting company. Having come here to meet you all and to meet your team, it's quite excited to have Cheers working with the WSET and to be able to offer the wine courses, because I think as you expand out across China, you're going to have a great success.
Thanks for visiting us, Pauline.
Yeah,
Cheers.
thank you for having me. Cheers.
Have a good trip back home to UK.
Thank you very much. All the best.